Hello, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Abdul Majid Tahir, University of Narwal. Today we discuss Chapter 9, Aromatic Hydrocarbon, Lecture 2. In this lecture, we will discuss nomenclature of benzene and its derivatives. Benzene and its derivatives are named according to the following rules. Number 1, mono-substituted benzene. When only one group is attached with benzene ring, then it is named in two ways. Number 1, the word benzene is added to the name of the group. For example, when CH3 group is attached with benzene ring, it can be named as methyl benzene. When ethyl group is attached with benzene ring, it can be named as ethyl benzene. Similarly, chlorobenzene, nitrobenzene, bromobenzene, all these names are according to rule number 1. Number 2, there are many cases when a substitute or group is attached with benzene, then benzene plus group, benzene plus substitute is equal to new special name. There are some special names which are used as such in the literature. For example, when methyl group is attached with benzene ring, its special name is toluene. Similarly, when hydroxyl group is attached with benzene ring, then it is named as, it has special name phenol. When amino group is attached with benzene ring, then it has special name aniline. In the same way, when carboxyl group is attached with benzene ring, then it is named as benzoic acid. When formyl group is attached with benzene ring, then it has special name benzaldehyde. Similarly, when ketone group is attached with benzene ring, then it is named as acetophenol. Similarly, when two substitutes are attached with benzene, they are called disubstituted benzene. Now we discuss some rules by which disubstituted derivative of benzene are named. There are two ways by which we name disubstituted derivative of benzene. When one group is attached with benzene, which has high priority, it is named as 1. Then normally we start in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 2 position is also named as ortho position. 1, 3 position is also named as meta position. And 1, 4 position are also named as para position. When two groups are linked with benzene ring, the priority order of various substitute, various groups is given as carboxyl group has high priority than cyano group, which has high priority than formyl group. which has high priority than ketonic group, which has high priority than hydroxyl group, which has high priority than amino group, which has high priority than ether group, methoxy group, which has high priority than alkyl group. It is the priority order. Now we discuss some examples which will explain this rule. Group having high priority is given number 1. For example, two groups are attached with benzene ring. Carboxylic group, amino group. Carboxylic group has high priority, so it is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be named as 3-amino benzoic acid. Similarly, two group, formyl group, nitro group are attached with benzene ring. 1, 2, 3 nitro benzaldehyde. These two compounds can be named as, it is ortho position meta para. So meta amino benzoic acid, meta nitro benzaldehyde. Other rule is group which give special name is given number 1. If two groups are attached with benzene ring and one group give the special name, the group which give the special name is named as 1 position. Carbon to which that group is attached which gives special name is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This compound can be named as 2-chlorotoluene. In the same way, hydroxyl group, nitro group, this group will be given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This compound can be named as 4-nitrophenol or ortho-meta-para-nitrophenol. 2-chlorotoluene or ortho-chlorotoluene, para-nitrophenol or 4-nitrophenol, both names can be written. Number 4, if both groups are not present in priority order, then they are named in alphabetic order. For example, it is benzene ring, two group, iodo group, chloro group are attached to it. It will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-chloro iodobenzene. Similarly, 1, 2 bromo iodobenzene. When more than two groups are attached with benzene ring, then it is called polysubstituted benzene. Dear students, when more than two groups are attached with benzene ring, then numbering is given in such a way that a group which gives special name to benzene is given the number 1, or group which has high priority is given the number 1. For example, CH3 group gives special name to benzene. This carbon is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This compound can be named as 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. In this way, monosubstituted, disubstituted and polysubstituted benzene derivative are named. Thanks.